How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I am going to talk about how to clean your system of food poisoning. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram at Dylanberg999. So I'm going to talk about in general how to clean your system, because this works for basically anything. It doesn't matter if it's alcohol, cigarettes, anything, doesn't matter. This will clean your system. So when most people are trying to detox their body, when they're trying to clean their system, what most people will go to is they will go to apple cider vinegar, which is amazing. I highly recommend it, but most people take in way too much. How much do you actually need to clean your system? You only, believe it or not, you only need a couple of tablespoons. I've seen people put in like a quarter of the jug of apple cider vinegar. I'm like, what in the heck are you doing? Like, that is way too much. And you can actually drink too much apple cider vinegar, and this can cause damage. So you gotta make sure you don't drink too much. Again, you don't need that much, but again, 1-2 tablespoons, perfect. That's all you need. Another way to clean your system is to drink a package of Certo and Gatorade. What happens is Certo has pectin in it, and only one package is needed with the Gatorade, and it will instantly clean your system. It's one of the main ways that people really go about cleaning their system. It's because it works, you guys. So yeah, really recommend that. Another thing that I recommend doing is to eat foods high in probiotics. So some of these foods, the number one for probiotic is going to be yogurt. So really recommend eating yogurt. And obviously your water intake. If you've had food poisoning, you're going to be extremely dehydrated, like extremely. So you need to make sure your hydration levels are on par. You need to be making sure that you are drinking the proper amount of liquids. Sleep is also important. Make sure that you guys are getting at least 8 to 10 hours. I would say with food poisoning, I would try to get closer to 10 hours of sleep, because that's when your body is going to be recovering. It's when you are sleeping. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999.